And before we get to our forecast, I actually want to start off with a traffic camera here. This is the Waterston eastbound, just past Brownsboro Road there. And just a reminder to take it slow, especially slow with the rain and the construction that we have in that general area. 2 lanes are closed. You're having to be fed into the entrance ramp there. Once again, this is Waterston eastbound at Brownsboro Road. So a heads up there, take it slow, slow down as you're approaching that exit. Rain chances next 5 days, they continue onward tonight and into the day tomorrow. 90% chance that you're going to see some rain tomorrow. Really, we could go 100% for most of the area. That's as a cold front approaches. We have all this moisture that's streaming in from the south here, so heavy rain will be possible at times. Once that front swings through here tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, those rain chances plummet. We dry out. We get that fall-like air to continue to roll into Kentuckiana with some very nice mornings and afternoons as well. More of that fall-like feel to the air. In terms of rainfall potential, rain could be heavy at times. We're talking widespread rainfall amounts between about 1 to 3 inches. We could have some heavier bands set up. It's hard to know where exactly we could see those heavier bands, but just note that we could have a few flash flood warnings tomorrow if some of those heavier storms drop a lot of rainfall in a short period of time. So just be aware of that. Make sure you have multiple ways to receive alerts. Our severe weather threat is very, very low, almost zero, but very low. If we see any kind of strong storm tomorrow, it'll be closer to the Tennessee border. But in terms of excessive rainfall, this is another way to look at your flash flood risk. So we are under a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 4 here, which just means we could have some localized flooding if we get, as I mentioned, those heavier bands set up. What you saw there was tonight. This is for tomorrow. And then as that front swings through, once again, we dry out Wednesday onward. High temperatures, much more fall-like this week compared to last week when we were still well into the 80s. We're talking highs in the 60s and 70s all week. Our average high in Louisville for this time of year is 75 degrees, and we are looking to stay near that, if not below it. The coolest day trending on Thursday with a high temperature of 68 degrees. And you can tell where that cold air is currently situated. 60s, 50s, even some 40s in Denver right now. Out ahead of that front, you're taking a look at some 80s from Chicago down to Springfield. Here locally, we're in the 70s today because we've had all that widespread cloud cover and rainfall. We do have more moisture that's streaming in right now from really southwest side of the state there, western Kentucky. There's that front off to our northwest. So this is going to allow for those heavier pockets of rainfall later tonight and into the day tomorrow. Hour by hour futurecast. Scattered showers continue for your Monday evening. Temperatures really moderated over the next 24 hours here with lows in the upper 60s, highs tomorrow in the low to maybe mid 70s. Widespread rainfall, as I mentioned, heavy at times, some embedded thunderstorms possible for your Tuesday. Plan ahead for wet commutes in the morning and potentially in the evening as well. We dry out throughout the evening hours and into the overnight period, and then we're talking much nicer weather for the rest of the week. A lot more sunshine on tap, those high temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and take a look at some of those overnight lows in the 40s, even in Louisville, Wednesday night and Thursday night. Connie?